Sunday, don't spa. Yeah, please.
Thank you so much.
You too. Got it, girl.
Yeah.
Yay! Finally. They get you an SE bus measure.
Oh, yeah, the playground?
Everything was booked. Everything was literally booked. What the hell? How you never come?
Because I got the notepad thing.
That's crazy. It's really light in here. Little balcony. Oh. That's crazy. I brought a light. Oh, what? Oh, okay. Not a deck. Porch or dock. We don't say everything, but it did. That's what I thought it was. Oh, it ain't turned on. Oh. This bitch better not blow up when I believe this. What's it? What that do? I'm so confused. Hi. Not overheat. It's probably too deep. It's probably a dangerous location to swim at. Why we just swim? Oh, I don't know. Danger? Oh, look at this, bro. Someone's out here fishing already. I don't even know. I got no strength. If I say stop, you gotta stop swimming. Why you oh.
One of the